DJI OSMO Pocket Handheld 3-axis Gimbal with integrated camera, black, 12MP camera and 4K video at 60 fps. Lightweight and portable, as the smallest 3-axis stabilized handheld camera DJI has ever designed, the compact and intelligent OSMO Pocket turns any moment into a cinematic memory. 3-axis mechanical gimbal. The OSMO Pocket camera is equipped with a remarkable 3-axis stabilized gimbal and a new algorithm that ensures a control accuracy of ±0.005 degree and maximum control speed of 120 degree per second. Amazingly powerful performance. OSMO Pocket snaps photos in stunning detail, thanks to a 1/2.3-inch sensor, 80-degree FOV, and f/2.0 aperture. It can also shoot 4K, 60 fps video at 100 megabits per second and photos at 12 MP with a pixel size of 1.55 micrometers for footage worth sharing every time. DJI Mimo. OSMO Pocket is meant for anyone with a story to tell, which is why we developed DJI Mimo. This dedicated app expands your imagination with editing tools and opens the door to a community that inspires your own visual storytelling. What you get: DJI OSMO Pocket, carrying case, smartphone adapter, USB-C, smartphone adapter, lightning, power cable. Recreate the action from your perspective. FPV mode follows the gimbal's orientation to film thrilling action shots with smooth results.